Do you have photos you don't want just anyone to see when they open your gallery? No worries, the iPhone has a built-in feature that lets you hide photos in just a few simple steps. But here's the catch. Many users don't know where those hidden photos actually go or how to find them again. In this video, I'll show you how to hide photos on your iPhone, how to access them later, and what to do if the hidden album is missing. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app on your phone. Once it's open, find and tap on the photo you want to hide. Then, in the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three dots. A menu with several options will appear. From that menu, choose Hide. Right after that, tap Hide Photo at the bottom of the screen to confirm. Now scroll down until you see sections like Media Types and Utilities. You'll see several different categories, but the hidden album should appear under the Utilities section. Once you find it, tap on it. If you have Face ID or a passcode set up, you'll need to confirm it to access the album. After that, you'll see the photo you hid earlier. Now you can view it, unhide it, or do whatever you like with it. But if you don't see the hidden option at all, here's what you need to do next. Let's go to Settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and there you'll see the Apps section. Tap on it. In this list, you'll see all the installed apps on your phone. Scroll down and find the Photos app, then tap on it. Once you're on the Photos app settings page, you'll see a bunch of options. Scroll down and look for the toggle labeled Show Hidden Album. If it's turned off, tap the switch to enable it. Once it's enabled, the hidden album will appear in the Utilities section, and you'll have access to all your hidden photos. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.